I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to require either Face ID or a passcode to unlock Facebook Messenger on your iPhone or iPad. Are you looking for an extra layer of security for your private conversations on Facebook Messenger? With our devices often being passed around friends or left unattended, ensuring that your messages remain private is more important than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to require Face ID or a passcode to unlock Facebook Messenger on your iPhone or iPad, giving you peace of mind and keeping your chats secure from prying eyes. Step 1. Tap the menu icon at the top of your Facebook Messenger home screen on your Apple iPhone or iPad. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon in this menu. The settings menu is displayed. Step 3. Tap Privacy and Safety in this menu. The Privacy and Safety screen is shown. Step 4. Navigate to the Security section and then tap App Lock. You'll land on the App Lock screen. Step 5. Tap to toggle on either Require Face ID or Require Passcode. You'll now see options at the bottom of the screen where you can choose when your Face ID or passcode will be required to access Facebook Messenger again after you leave it. Step 6. Tap to place a check mark next to your selection. Your changes will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.